Welcome back. This is Art and Culture Monday. Of course, with me, Karen Blessing, and we are almost done with the second hour of Art and Culture Monday. And I know you're having a bomb time, so I'm not even gonna ask. Kimbia tu pale Facebook Live and leave your comment because you guys are cracking me up. There's someone, Denzel Queen. Denzel, ameingia hii show. We should have you over sometime. Thank you so much for watching. Anasema huyu demu wa Nairobi Chronicles, she's a cracker. Walai kuna mathe wa M-Pesa pale na kaa. Tofauti yake na huyo demu ni kitenge tu. I know there's such an amazing group of actors and actresses in Nairobi Chronicles. Remember to check them out, all right? Their YouTube channel is Nairobi Chronicles. Kila mahali, even TikTok. Just look for Nairobi Chronicles. You are going to have an amazing time. And I am not done because I am on my third lounge. And I have a gentleman with me that is an actor, producer, trainer. Like, today I'm only dealing with talents. Top-notch talents. I want him to introduce himself before we dive right into the conversation. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
How is your Monday morning?
It's chilly but fine.
Yes. How many of your Monday mornings are this early?
So many. Yeah, being a producer, so many.
Yes. Amazing. I feel the people who are coming here today are feeling me. Like sisi ni watu wa Monday early morning. Yeah. Karibu sana. Please say hi to guys at home and tell us your name.
Okay, yeah, my name is Terence Ngadi. Basically known as TI. Most of them call me TI, all my friends. Yeah, and I'm a film producer and a choreographer as well.
Yeah. Yes, amazing guys. That is TI for you. And I know umesikia hii jina. If you're somewhere, if you know the Kenyan entertainment drama industry, you have had him mahali. I want to know, when did you begin acting?
I began way back in primary school. Mm-hmm. Yeah, where we started as the Sadaka dancing crew in church.
Yes.
Yeah, the Catholic dancing. Yeah.
Yes. Uh-huh.
So from there, and then we grew into drama. Mm-hmm. And then after the drama, when I joined Kakamega High School.
Yes.
Where drama now there is quite a thing, you know.
Yes.
Yeah. So I built my career from there, mm-hmm. and later joined Kenya Institute of Mass Communication.
Yes.
Where I picked up my choreography line.
Yes.
And flew with it quite well.
Yes.
And now I can say I've had a couple of successes at the nationals.
Yes.
Yeah.
And you have definitely gone all the way up. I want us to back it up kidogo. Yeah. Would you say would you give a congratulatory message to Kakamega, because I feel like that is where you are actually nurtured. You know, such schools that are big on drama, that are looking forward to nurturing these talents.
Yeah, sure. I'd like to big up Mr. George Litwa. Mm-hmm. He was our choreographer back then.
Yes.
He used to give us a storyline, then leave it to us to do the choreography and everything.
Yes.
So that's where we started learning how to do choreography and coming up with scripts.
Yes.
Yeah, so I'd like to thank him so much.
Yes, amazing. Then you moved on to Kenya Mass.
Yeah.
And you actually like studied drama. You were trained for drama.
Not really trained. Mm-hmm. I studied film production.
Film production, uh-huh.
So film and drama is most or likely the same thing.
Yes.
Yeah, so since I had the passion to do choreography, mm-hmm. I had some mentors holding my hand. People like Mr. Hudson Wafula,
yes.
the trainer at Dagoretti High School, mm-hmm. and Jera Etale is a trainer at Nembu Girls.
Yes.
So we've worked together with them.
Yes.
Yeah.
Choreography, where did that passion come from?
I'd say honestly it came from my mom. May her soul rest in peace.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Yes.
She used to train State House Primary.
Yes.
And she used to take me through the choreography process. When she used to go and choreograph,
yes.
she would bring me along and tell me how it's being done here and there.
Yes.
So I would give her a congratulatory message.
Amazing too. Parents out here, I'm so sad that she's not here to hear it, but I know her legacy has lived on through you.
Sure.
Yes, before we jump away from there, what would you tell parents? You know, parents like your mom who are actually really supportive and took you along enough that you gained interest in it. What would you tell parents to kids who want to venture into such things?
Yeah, I would tell parents that you should allow your kids venture into their career line or their, let's say, passion. Because, you know, we can say education is everything, is
yes.
key and everything, but it's not key and everything.
Yeah.
You see, when you have a talent, it pays.
Yes.
I would actually say it pays, because I've seen so many people who their talent is paying for them.
Yeah.
Yeah. I've seen, I won't mention names, mm-hmm. but I've seen somebody come from grassroots, like from Ushago, you know.
Yes.
And then now becoming a star. Yeah.
Yes.
Because of talent.
Yes.
Not necessarily books, but then they go hand in hand. You can never find somebody doing drama
Yeah.
and in class they get E's or they underperform.
Yeah.
Nope. It has never
Because
worked.
The brain is sharp on both ends.
Yeah.
So I hope parents at home are listening to this. Like, if your kid is interested in these creative arts, it's actually a class. Like, they're very, I want to say they're very intuitive. They are very, like, their minds are very sharp. So if only they can be encouraged, you'd be surprised. Ni ule atakuwa wa B+ na A- and still they are doing very well in drama. So support is very key.
Yeah.
You are a choreographer per se by profession. Take me through the process of choreography.
Choreography, actually, okay, in schools, like in the drama festival,
Yes.
the first thing you do as a choreographer, you do research.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, if I want to do a dance, maybe from the Luya community, I'll now narrow down to one Luya community.
Yes.
And maybe the Isoka community.
Yeah.
The ones I usually do.
Yes.
So then after narrowing down to that, I get a storyline. Then I'll go do research back there in the Isoka land. So I'll get some old guys there.
Yes.
So they tell me how they do their things. So I'll link my story to whatever they're telling me.
Yes.
So that when I portray the same on stage, it's actually something that is happening or happened before.
Yes.
Yeah.
So research, we start with research is very important,
It's
so
key.
that you're not, especially in culture, you don't want to get
Yeah.
the culture wrong.
Yep. Exactly.
So does that mean you have interacted with a lot of communities, like in detail, to get your choreographs right?
Sure. Yeah.
Amazing. I like that. Utanifundisha step moja before tumalize.
Definitely.
Thank you. Guys, watch out for that. Stay till the end. We are going to learn at least one dance or choreograph. Also, how are you monetizing that? The schools that call you to teach them dances, they pay, right?
Yeah, definitely.
And what other ways do you monetize that?
Of course, when you get to a school, they give you a contract.
Yes.
Yeah, of course. And then after you do your choreography and you have gone to perform, definitely they will pay you.
Yes.
Yeah. So after that, we usually have some shows, like maybe in the Kenya National Theatre.
Yes.
Yes. Sometimes they call you there when they have events and they need entertainment.
Yes.
So when they call you there, of course, they will give you something small
Yes.
to take back home.
Yes.
And it's not only for you,
Yeah.
but for the students as well.
As well.
Yeah.
So even these students get to earn. They get to
earn something and they
yes.
get exposure.
Yes.
Yeah.
Also, you've been to a couple of drama festivals, right?
Yeah.
How has that competition been for you?
The first one was really, really scary for me. Since,
Yeah.
as a first timer, you must be scared.
Yes, true.
But luckily, I won the first time.
The first time you tried, you won. Okay,
Yeah, that was back in 2012. Yeah, so after that, now I got encouraged to keep on keeping on.
Yes.
Yeah, so I've done so many, but what I can say about the drama festival, it's all about you planning well your script and organizing your team very well.
Yeah.
And then you will make it.
Yes.
Regardless of your name, or because if I could win my first time,
Yes.
I believe even you can win.
Yes.
Yeah.
Like nobody knows you, no one has interacted with you.
Yeah.
It is just your script and what you did with your
on
script.
stage.
Yes.
Yeah.
Amazing. So then that would lead me to ask, how do you manage your kids, especially when you're choreographing for a high school? The management hard because kids can be sneaky,
Yeah.
and then there are many. Number two, so how do you ensure that you have achieved the goal regardless of having a big team?
The rule I always have,
Yes.
number one, respect is paramount.
Yes.
I usually make sure that they understand that respect is paramount, then I behave like them.
Yes.
So if you want to learn how kids behave,
Yeah.
you become like a kid.
Yes. Okay.
So once I I make fun and maybe talk about this language of theirs, gengeton or something.
Yes.
Yeah, I try to learn some of those.
Yes.
So when they talk, we talk like that, and so they understand there's a difference between TI the choreographer
Yes.
and TI their friend.
Yeah.
So when I'm now choreographing, I'm
Yes.
a choreographer. And then out of stage, I'm their friend. So they
Yes.
can tell me anything when they have issues with their parents or
Yeah.
teachers. So they'll always talk to me and I will know how to handle it. Yeah.
And that is important. Making sure that kids feel you are their friend, apart from being a choreographer. Of course, there are those serious steps. When I demand work, you demand work from them.
Yeah.
But also making them feel like you're one of them, like you're a friend, has helped with that choreography and even its success in general?
Sure.
Yeah. Is there any that you're working for right now? Wait, COVID happened.
Yeah.
Are we still having drama festivals?
For now, we don't know because everything was put on hold.
Yes.
So we are still waiting for communication from the ministry.
Yes.
Yeah.
Has COVID given you a few ideas for choreography that you cannot wait?
Yeah, I have so many ideas that are just waiting for the ministry to give us a go ahead, and
then we
are
will
back
go
on
ahead.
set.
Yes,
Yeah.
we will defeat this COVID thing, guys. Do not worry, and
Amen.
we will be ready. Entertainment will be ready for you. Also, a quick question: do you follow up on the kids that you actually train? You know, you went somewhere with the kids, you won the nationals. Probably your lead act was very good. Do you follow up with them after high school?
Yeah, sure. I always do because most of them after high school they always ask me where I'm training next.
Yes.
And I will always give them schools whereby, you know, now being a name,
yes,
I get so many calls from different schools.
True.
And I cannot handle maybe like 5-7 schools.
True.
Yeah. So out of the 7 schools maybe that will give me a call, definitely I'll give them some of them to my students.
Yes, that you have actually trained
so
and
that
have
they can
learned
also
your ways.
they can also grow, and I'll make sure I go there and look at how they are doing,
Yes.
guide them through here and there. Yeah, and that's how we move.
Amazing. I like that. There's a question right here. Richard Okenye is my co-host that hosts the Tuesday show. He hosts Biashara Tuesday. He's asking, what are some of the works you have done, and are they online? Can we go look at them?
Yeah, you can go look at them. I have the Ingotse dance for 2017. It's on YouTube. It's called Amatemo.
Yes.
It's on YouTube. The Kenya Institute of Mass Dance.
Yes.
2015.
Yes.
Obuteshi. It's on YouTube as well. Yeah, all of them won.
Amazing, guys. We are going to be taking a look at that shortly. But this is Vabi C minor, anasema TI in the building. Such a talent. Keep up the good work as you inspire those who want to take their talent as a career. Yes, so would you advise, you has been in the industry for a couple of years now, would you advise for someone to take that as a career path? Is it a viable career option?
Very much. I would really advise, if you have the passion of doing drama or anything to do with theater, I would advise you go for it.
Yes.
Because once there are so many platforms.
Yes.
Once you're into it and you're sure you want to do it,
Yes.
you can get YouTube, you can get TikTok, Vizkid. There are so many platforms.
Yeah.
So long as you have the zeal, definitely you'll make it, and it pays.
Yes, you will find your way. You will find your way into where the money is.
For sure.
Yes, I asked earlier when we were off screen as we were starting, what are you working on currently?
Oh, currently we are working on a story with Edouts. I work for Edouts Production.
Yes.
Edouts, it's EDOUGHT.
Yes.
Yeah, Edouts Production. Yeah, so we're working on a story which is on YouTube. I wouldn't want to spill the beans.
Yes.
Yeah, but you can go check it out.
Yes.
We have a trailer there, and then we have so many upcoming stories that we are going to shoot. Yeah, and you can also like, comment, subscribe.
Exactly.
And we'll appreciate.
So the YouTube channel is called
Edouts Production.
Edouts Production, guys. There's something cooking right there.
Yeah.
Richard Okenye, kimbia pale. If you want to get the current, kimbia pale and actually get to see that trailer. I believe, when will that be out officially?
Probably in the next 4 months.
Yes, in the next about 4 months.
Yeah.
All right. I want to ask, before tusimame nifundishwe dance mbili tatu, can anyone be trained to act or to be in a choreograph?
Anyone.
Okay.
Especially, dancing. Everybody dances. It's just that you don't know you're dancing.
Okay.
When your body moves, that's a dance.
Yes.
Yeah, exactly. When you're walking, that's a dance.
Yes.
Yeah.
I really hope that is not a lie, because I have asked that question to singers and they keep insisting everyone can sing. I cannot. I don't know. So we are going to be finding out in a few if I can actually dance. You know, I am looking for a certain comment that happened a bit earlier. Let me get it. Yes, this is my director. His name is Boniface Otieno. And then I tried out choir, Karen Blessing, not a singer, but the memories are priceless. So we are about to make some priceless memories right here. But before we do that, let us give us social media handles. Where can we find your work? Of course, apart from Edouts, and where can we find your work? And of course, some of your students that you want to big up, those people, support system, team, big them up.
Okay. Social media, you can find me on Facebook as Terence Ingadi.
Yes.
And Instagram, Terence_Ingadi. And on YouTube, it's Edouts.
Spell that kindly for people who are at home.
Okay, Edouts,
Yes.
EDOUGHTS.
Yes.
Yes.
Amazing. EDOUGHTS.
Yes,
right?
sure.
I got that. Yes. Edouts, and you are going to have some mad entertainment, and you are going to have an amazing time. Right about now, tunataka kusimama tufundishwe moves moja mbili. We cannot have a choreographer in the building, and actually, you know, not learn one or two moves. So si tusimame tuone kama itaweza. Ooh. Terence is actually telling me we don't even need music. We are going to jump to awesomeness. Yeah, so what am I learning? The easiest move you have, kindly.
The easiest.
Yes.
Okay. So we are going to use our legs, the right leg. So you 1, 2, then left 1, 2.
Okay.
1, 2, 1, 2.
Okay.
1, 2, then 1, 2. You got it?
Yes.
Now we involve our hands now.
Okay.
All right. So when you're doing the right leg, you go with 1, 2.
Okay.
Then
1, 2. Okay.
1, 2, 1,
1,
2.
2.
1, 2, 1, 2. Then
All
you
right.
hold.
Oh,
For the
okay.
beat,
Yes. Oh.
Yeah, you
For the beat that
coordinate
you
with the
guys
beat,
are imagining
so you
at
hold,
home.
yeah. Then you continue. But
so
it's a bit faster. You
yes.
know?
Okay. So we
One,
sasa inaenda. Okay. So we
So
start.
it's just, okay,
Yeah.
slowly. Let's go.
1, 2,
1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Then mbio
1,
sasa.
2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1.
Okay.
1, 2, 1, 2. Then you hold.
Yeah. Okay.
Then 1, 2.
1, 2, 1, 2.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So whenever
Like
we
that.
are holding, let me know.
Hold.
You are enjoying this.
Yeah. So you're good.
Yes, I'm good.
Yeah.
Yes, amazing. Tufanye one more round, one more time, just to
The same one?
confirm. Yes, just to confirm. Nimeshika. Okay.
5, 6, 7. Let's go.
1, 2.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Hold.
Yeah.
Guys, we got this. We are doing this. That has been Terence for you, and he is doing amazing. Also, you are a parent and you are on the board of schools. You have felt Terence has actually amazing impact on you. Please feel free. Look for him. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, ako pale. Look for him. Give him those gigs. Ama, that is not what you're living for.
Yeah, for sure. Give me gigs. Yeah.
Give him gigs. let him enjoy. Also, final words as we close. To students, ndio wanarudi shule leo, but some of them are dreaming going back to the drama club. What would you say to them to ensure that they actually have success in that career path?
What I could say to students,
Yes.
When you go back to school, you work hard in class. That is number one.
Yes.
And then, after class, don't stay idle in your dormitories or something. Get some co-curricular activity and work on them. If it's drama, go do it. If it's music, do it.
Yes.
Sports, go and play. And I'm sure everything will work out.
Yes.
Yeah.
Amazing. Guys, that has been Terence for you. And please go out to Edouts and watch what he's preparing, what he's cooking. I'm sure we are going to be getting more short, to tease us hapa na pale even the 4 months, before the 4 months are over. But follow him. Let's see what he is doing. Parents, if you can connect them to gigs, please, by all means, go all out, inbox them on Messenger, on Instagram, on YouTube, and have a fantastic time. That has been Terence for you. All the best, Terence. I cannot wait to see what the future holds. Mr. Director, unasemaje? Thank you so much. Oh, we have a narration. Okay, I cannot wait to enjoy that. Art and Culture Monday right about now. Lunch number 3 done.